Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I found a really random drawing that I wanted to redraw because I hated it. I wanted to see if the color clashes. This is what the photo looks like. I honestly dislike it and I decided to redraw it. Let's go see how I made this. So I decided this girl, I haven't really worked out her personality, but based on the look on her face and the whole hairstyle thing, I figured she'd be the kind of girl who has her phone all the time and is constantly taking selfies and posting it and wherever she goes. I'm not even sure if people like that exist, but if they do, it doesn't really matter to me. Anyway, so I have her in a cafeteria and it's morning and she's just randomly taking a photo, like with her coffee or tea or whatever she's drinking. And ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here she is. I don't really know what to call her, but I think she turned out very, very good. I really like the way she turned out. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces in my videos and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. This drawing will be available on Redbubble as a sticker and more. So go check me out. and Soso Artsy 13. Thanks for watching. Bye!